Hey everybody, it's your boy Slushy Student 38. Welcome back everybody. I'm talking about my car today. I got a Dodge Charger 2014 SE. It's a V6. I know y'all see, my banner and everything, and it's basically what I started my channel off of. And today I was just gonna talk a little bit more about the car and just give y'all more intel of what's going on. So y'all seen my last video when I ordered the Doraflex body kit. I got it off CarID.com. And yeah, it was a bust basically. So it took me a little minute to get my money back. So I was dealing with that for a little minute. So this is like week 2. I'm actually just now receiving emails saying I'll get my money back 3 or 5 days from now. Today's Friday, with the 31st and everything. So yeah, with that being said, I decided to change my mind on what I'm going to do with the car next. I'm going to do an exhaust system. I know everybody been asking me about it and talking about it and saying you should just do an exhaust, make it louder, give it, that So basically that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna give you guys what y'all been asking for. I'm gonna do this exhaust system. So yeah, here's another video of me jumping into buying some parts, and yeah, I want to say thank you guys for being a part of the channel once again. Thank you for supporting me. Now's the time to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that. And thank you once again for watching this video. So yeah, I'm about to set up this green screen. Y'all gonna see me shop for these parts one time, and I got something else in store for this video. Yeah, you've probably seen the thumbnail. So yeah, stay tuned for that. All right, guys, I came outside, had to move the car and everything. So yeah, here go look at the whip. You already know how that goes. One time. It's nosy. People be nosy. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all this install. I'm not even gonna make this too long and drag it out. Jump straight into this. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all turn. If you're doing this and you watch my video, make sure you turn the lights off in the car. Y'all turn the lights off. The power to the light. And this part right here is really simple. Hope I'm not in the way. Came right out too. See, I got it already off. It's not on. Yeah. Let me pick this up. Clip to take it out. Be careful with these things. Some of them go in one way. And just like that, it's in. I gotta make sure it works, though. That's just that one side. I think I'm gonna have to just do that one to make sure it works. All right, I got that one on, and I know it worked for sure. It's obviously the lights on. So, okay guys, this is the second one on the driver door. Once again, when you do this, you wanna make sure your car is off. Power to the lights and stuff is off. And this thing should pop out really easily because I popped the other one out really easily. It's so easy to pop out and do. Oh, the bulb came out of this, so this not going back. I'm gonna have to replace the bulb. But yeah, it's the kind of stuff that happens when you want to change the parts out on your vehicle. Everything good. Goes in so tight and perfect on the first shot. I'm about to turn the car on, the lights on in the car so I can see if it's working. Yes, this is one working too. So stay tuned for later and you can get a full view. All right, y'all see me just do that install the LED lights. It's a door lights that says charger and stuff, Dodge Charger. All right, guys, welcome back. So yeah, as y'all seen before in my last video, I had ordered a hood and a body kit and it didn't go good, so I changed my mind about everything. So today I went to AutoZone and I talked to a mechanic about some exhaust work and how to go about that. So long story short, that's what I'm doing. And like I said earlier, and Flowmaster was one of the manufacturers that the guy suggested to me, because he said he just did some exhaust work to his vehicle. So I'm buying two mufflers, deleting the resonators and making a straight pipe. So the ones I was looking at was the 40 series Delta Force. This one gives you an aggressive noise out and not too loud of a drone inside of the car. But I'm really just trying to make the car as aggressive as I can. But yeah, I did some measuring earlier on the car, on the exhaust system and the tubing under the car, and I seen that it was a 2.50 center in and center out. It cost $119 right there. I need two of those, so I'm gonna get these two mufflers, and like I said before, just delete the resonators. This is gonna be saving me some money instead of buying a whole new exhaust system. Which, like, if I buy a new exhaust system, I'm gonna have to delete everything, like the resonators, and I would delete the mufflers too, just to weld these new mufflers on, so which would be wasting money. So, long story short, these are the two I need. It came out to be $239. So yeah, I got another video coming out really soon, like a couple days from now. So guys, I need all of y'all to watch this video, like it, comment, let me know what y'all think about this exhaust system and everything. So yeah, I got like fast delivery on this because I didn't want to wait how Car ID made me wait, and how long it took me to get this refund back and all of that stuff. So I did like a fast delivery on it. And yeah, stay tuned for more. But I'm about to show y'all this other part I'm ordering, so y'all guys can see what's going on with that too. Like, cause I'm about to get some exhaust tips. I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, this is how much it cost for everything after I got the shipping and handling. All right, now I'm jumping into this. I'm ordering some exhaust tips. I got them from Jegs. Cause they had a big variety of exhaust tips on there. Like, I was really impressed. The ones I'm getting is the theme of my car is black, matte black, pretty much. So I'm gonna keep the theme of the car black, you know. Yeah, right now I'm typing in this item number. I'll put exhaust tips right up that I have found. Here they go right here, y'all. A little pricey. 2.5 Gibson Performance Exhaust Stainless Steel / cut exhaust tip. 2.5 and $89 for one. A little pricey, like I said before. $179. I mean, that ain't bad. I don't know. Exhaust tips changed. It changes the way the car can sound. So I didn't want to get any cheap exhaust tips. You know, like if I'm gonna do some good exhaust work to this thing, I wanted to make sure these tips was gonna be somewhat decent. And I got a code right here too. It could save me some money, $20. But yeah, thanks for watching this little part right here, and yeah, I got some more in store for the video, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'm about to jump off here. All right, guys, I know y'all seen the earlier stuff I showed y'all in the video earlier, so here it is. It's a big reveal right here. I was gonna start the car up before y'all, but one day, like in a few days, I'll see my exhaust. That's fire right there. I did it myself too. It's on both sides. You open up the thing on both sides. I installed that myself. But I'm about to close this video out. Today was a nice little day for me doing some car stuff. I did a lot of stuff for the car today, y'all. But yeah, stay tuned for my videos. Like, comment, subscribe, share these boys. I've been working hard for y'all. Y'all become part of one of the gang and subscribe, y'all. Need the links for my other videos, my car videos and stuff that I did, like the grill and the body kit down below, so y'all can watch those. But yeah, it's your boy Celestial Student 38. I'm out of here.